Gotta get my nails done right away, yeah. Gotta get the DJ turn it up. Gotta get my girls real drunk. Gotta turn my girls up. You know I swear every day, yeah. You know me, yeah. You know me, yeah. I'ma slay all day. I'ma slay all day, slay all. All I need in this life is sin. I was born to get this money in this life of sin. You know me, I slay. You know me, I slay. Hi everyone, it's me, the Life of Sin, at cynamonbriana. ATX kind of when you know what it is. Today we're doing a lifestyle video, DIY mask. I got this mask from $3 at Five and Below, and my niece is having a birthday party, and I usually do things on Depop, but they closed my Depop shop. And so my sister was like, well, let me hire you for your niece's birthday, and you make a video and you're trying to get your word out there other ways instead of just Depop. So that's what I'm doing. We're going to get these iron letters. I got these iron letters from Hobby Lobby for $7.99. And sometimes they have discounts on their website so you can get like 20% off. I did that. And I just love these letters. They're so cute. The pink, her theme was unicorn. So it was like pink and teal, like the blue teal. So I chose to do pink and the pillows teal. The pillows were more at the beginning. Actual DIY for the pillows did not come out right. And even this mask, I did this mask tutorial twice, and this is the only video that came out right. So I'm glad I got to show y'all something. So there you just saw me cut the letters out. I made that a fast video because who wants to watch me cut letters out? I just cut out the letters Journey because that's my niece's name. I'm actually making her mask, and I got this cute little patch from Joann's Fabric, which is a unicorn. I was like, oh my god, I should personalize hers and make hers just a little different. And see, it's the birthday girl. So that's all you really need is scissors, something to iron on, a piece of paper, and the actual iron letters, and an iron. So yeah, oh, isn't that super cute? But that is her exact colors. It's pink and teal like that, even though that's a little purple on the inside. So now I'm just placing the letters how I kind of want them to go because I think I played with it beforehand, but I just knew the unicorn was kind of big, so I had to place the letters kind of close together. So I guess I'm just checking the sizing and making sure. And when you cut out the letters, that's another tip. When you cut out the letters, they're going to be backwards. They're going to look backwards. You literally have to turn the paper over and cut out the letters as you see them, but when they all come out, they're going to be backwards. So when you actually put them on the thing, it'll turn out right side. So bam, I have a piece of paper this piece of paper came in the iron-on thing. So it's a piece of paper in the iron-on package that you just want to take that out and use that. Put that on top of your letters and the actual thing you're ironing on. It can be anything. It doesn't just have to be a mask. But the masks are cute. You know what I'm saying? So bam, I have one side with the paper and the sheet ironing on it, which that one was more glittery. So I was like, I need to put something else on top of this. And the letters are just letters. So I did it with just the paper. And I did both of them just to see how they would come out. Let us see. Oh, and the letter didn't come out right. My crazy I done put it upside down. So that's another tip. You don't want to put the letters upside down. You want to put them right side up so it actually comes out correct. So all I did was cut another J out because they have like 4 J's in there. And I cut another J out, and this time I put it right side up. Like, you see what I'm saying? It's not backwards. When I cut it, it was actually backwards. And then when I put it down, I have to put it not backwards. So that's the little trick. Put the paper down again, and I'm going to iron it. I'm going to do the unicorn again because I just wanted to make sure it's secure. I was like, I don't know. It's kind of thick. So I just ironed it down one more time just to see. Another tip, make sure if you have a very long name, you want the long name, you want to go letter by letter. You don't want to just put them all down and just iron it on. When you do that, it actually like puts some plastic under the letters, so when you peel the plastic off, it's going to take off a piece of the letter with it. So you definitely want to go one by one, especially if it's a long name. I also have a clip of the other video I made when I did the short name, and I can show you how it's kind of easier to do short names. Yeah, so I'm just waiting for it to heat up. Come on now, I'm waiting. It's just so fun to do projects. Like I said, if y'all want to know more about my shop, I would suggest y'all follow me on Instagram at cynamonbriana. That's usually where I'm trying to start. Since Instagram have shops now, I'm thinking about putting my shop on Instagram now. Cause I'm just a black girl living this world. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm trying. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying. But I also make clothes. Like I said, I make pillows, accessories. So I mostly do accessories, so sleep masks, scrunchies, things in that nature. And then I also do dresses and stripper outfits, exotic wear, bottle girls, and things like that. So if you guys want a custom outfit made by him in the USA and it fits your style, make sure you hit me up on Instagram at cynamonbriana. Now here we go. This is finally the reveal. It was kind of hot. I was like, oh, I can't touch this right now, but I did it anyway. And voila, you peel a little plastic off and you have a iron-on letter, and it looks so cute. So like I said, this is a long name, so I'm gonna go letter by letter and iron each of them on. Yeah, no lie, while I'm watching this video, I'm looking at it like, oh my god, did I do an A instead of a O? Like, it kind of looks like an A now that I'm looking at it through the camera, but in real time, it definitely looks like an O. It was just so funny. I wanted to show y'all the smaller name really quickly. The girl at the sleepover, her name was Haley, and I was like, ooh, this is gonna be easy mask. So I placed them just like how I wanted it to look, so kind of like, you know, staggered looking, kind of spaced out. And I took the piece of paper from the packaging of the iron-on letters. It comes with a piece of paper already, y'all. Don't even waste your time. Tip number 4, don't waste your time buying copy paper. Just use the paper in the packaging and place it down and hold. Now, as you see, I'm doing all letters at one time, so I'm making sure I put pressure, tip number whatever, put pressure on the whole iron, so it kind of like it doesn't do one side more than the other. You just kind of want to put even pressure down on the whole iron, so all the letters get the same amount of heat, the same amount of pressure, and they all stick on forever. So yeah, I had to show y'all this one. I also changed my puffies because I lost my white one. I had to change my puff balls to the blue one. So yeah, so journey's almost done. If you see me, I'm doing letter by letter again, and it's coming out gorgeous. It's like I do a letter and I pull off the film and it's stuck to there. It's so cute. Like I said, you can do this to anything you want to customize or personalize. And it came out so cute to me. I'm like, oh, she's going to get to have her own sleep mask. And remember, her auntie made it. So I just put it back in the packaging and made it look cute. Put it all together so that it looks like an actual gift instead of like I made it and put it in a bag. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching this whole video. If you have any questions, comment below. And if you wanted to support my business, I have a website. It's also in the description below. And yeah, I hope y'all like this tutorial. I really love being crafty, and I love showing you guys how to do something if you don't know how to do it. I'm okay with being the tester and making mistakes, so y'all don't have to. So yeah, thank you again. I don't know what else I'm gonna say. I really just, I just want to say thank you. And if you need my services, hit me up. And why am I struggling to get this in the box? Like what? But oh my god, look, it looks like it came like that. Look how I packaged up for them. I had her friends with their customized pillows with their names on them. And then I had her with her glow-in-the-dark pillows. Happy 10th birthday, Journey. I hope y'all love this. Thank y'all for watching. Bye. You know me, I slay. You know me, I slay. You know me, I slay.
You know me.